New research from the University of Otago has dispelled claims that fluoridated water stunts children's mental development and adult IQ. The findings have been published in the highly respected American Journal of Public Health. Lead researcher Dr Jonathan Broadbent has just returned from San Francisco, joins us to discuss this very controversial subject, Dr. Broadbent. Would you, in your own words, tell us about your research and what you've conducted?
Good evening. Well, what I did was we just linked data from a study called the Dunedin Multidisciplinary Health and Development Study. So it's a study that's followed the health and development of people born in Dunedin 40 years ago, and they've been followed right through their lives. So it's a very unique study because we collect data from all aspects of their health, so dental health, psychological health. And so when I saw that or heard that a number of fluoridation opponents were claiming that fluoride reduces IQ, I drink fluoridated water myself, and I wanted to check that claim out.
Right.
Now, these people claim that it reduces IQ by 7 points. That's a really big drop.
That's a bold statement.
Yes,
they
say any fluoride, and it would seem any fluoride. They don't suggest a level at which it would be it would affect IQ. They just say any fluoride, and so this was all based on studies from China and Iran, which were compiled, and what they were comparing in many cases was a small village with a large village, and there would be all manner of things associated with that are unrelated to the fluoride in the water. So in the Dunedin study we have good data on fluoride exposure from community water fluoridation, whereas in these Chinese and Iranian studies it was from naturally occurring fluoride in the water
unregulated
at very
fluoride.
High levels, unregulated. So often comparing an unregulated town, which may be small and rural, with a town that had a regulated supply where the fluoride actually was dropped, rather than what we do in New Zealand. So we thought we might see something else. We hypothesised that we wouldn't find a difference, or that if we did, that it would be explained by something, social class. So I contacted some psychologists and we got to work.
Right. Were you surprised by what you found? Plainly, you've done your research, you've been very thorough in your investigations. Were you surprised?
Well, we hypothesised that we wouldn't find a difference, and that's what we found. We did find that people who lived in Dunedin long term, so those who didn't leave town, had significantly higher IQs than those who left. So staying in Dunedin would seem to be a good thing. And we certainly do find that Dunediners are pretty intelligent people, and you know, this claim that fluoride would reduce IQ by 7 points would have had to have moved Otago University if that was true, because you know, after a couple of generations of fluoridation, we're still going strong.
Dr. Broadbent, thank you so very much for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you indeed.